Welcome to Mini Champ's World, Tara and the Rain of Sweets. It was Ganesh Chaturthi morning in a small village. A cheerful little girl named Tara decorated the mandir with marigold flowers, glowing diyas, and bright rangoli. Folding her hands, she whispered softly, "Tara, I wish Lord Ganesha brings happiness for everyone this year." As her prayer ended, the sky above turned golden. The clouds swirled magically, and suddenly plop! A sweet modak fell right into Tara's hands. Then more sweets followed. Ladoos, petas, jalebis, sparkling like drops of joy rained down from the heavens. Tara excited. "Wow, it's raining sweets. Thank you, Baba." At first, Tara thought about keeping the sweets for herself, but then she looked around. Children were watching with wide eyes, and neighbors stood smiling hopefully. With a kind heart, Tara began sharing. She gave a laddu to one child, a jalebi to another, and soon everyone in the village was enjoying the magical rain. The air was filled with laughter, cheers, and happiness. Just then, a glowing golden light appeared. Lord Ganesha himself emerged, smiling kindly at Tara. "Lord Ganesha," gentle voice, "Tara, you have learned the true meaning of happiness. Joy becomes greater when shared." Tara bowed with folded hands. From that day on, her home was always filled with love, laughter, and sweet blessings. Happiness grows when shared with others.